Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Beyond Academics. In this video, I will talk about COVID-19 specific health insurance. If you are unfamiliar with any of the terminology mentioned in this video, do watch my other videos in which I have talked about health insurance in detail. Like general health insurance, there is not much complexity in COVID-19 specific health insurance. Thanks to Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India for setting the guidelines for COVID health insurance. Coronavirus specific health insurance pays for hospitalization and also for insured individuals who have been quarantined in government identified facilities. For valid claim, treatment authorized by the government will only be considered. Also, testing should be done in a government authorized diagnostic center only. Doctor's prescription or recommendation is mandatory for hospitalization. There are basically two types of COVID health insurance, Corona Kavach and Corona Rakshak. The Corona Kavach and Rakshak policies have common policy wordings across all insurance companies. However, in the case of other coronavirus policies, which are actually on pilot basis, the policy wordings may differ from insurer to insurer. So now with IRDAI guidelines, the insurers can only change the premium amounts but cannot change clause like waiting period and other policy inclusions. And as a customer, we will have various options of sum insured and duration of the policy. So let's see major differences between Corona Kavach and Corona Rakshak policy. Corona Kavach is a indemnity policy, meaning the claim is paid as per the actual hospital bills up to sum insured. Being an indemnity plan, premium for Corona Kavach policy is affordable to get higher sum insured. On the other hand, Corona Rakshak will pay 100% of the sum insured as a lump sum. You can either buy the Corona Kavach plan for each member of the family or for all family members as a family floater plan. In addition to self, spouse, and dependent children, the coverage may be extended for parents and even in laws. As far as buying the Corona Rakshak policy is concerned, it is offered on individual basis only. Hence, you need to buy the policy separately for every member of the family if you want them to be covered by a COVID-19 health insurance cover. Corona Kavach policy can be claimed only after 24 hours of hospitalization, whereas Corona Rakshak policy can be claimed if the policyholder is hospitalized for at least 3 days. Sum insured ranges from 50k to 5 lakh for Corona Kavach and from 50k to 2.5 lakh for Corona Rakshak. Both policies are available with three different durations, that is 3.5 month, 6.5 month and 9.5 months, with each having waiting period of 15 days. So the effective policy duration will be 3, 6 and 9 months respectively. Now under Corona Kavach, you have an add-on called Hospital Daily Cash. In this, you will get 0.5% of sum insured per day for 24 hours of hospitalization for COVID-19 treatment up to 15 days. Meaning, if you have taken a sum insured of 1 lakh, then 0.5% of 1 lakh, which is 500 rupees, you will get as a daily hospital cash allowance for every 24 hours of complete hospitalization up to 15 days. So, as discussed, a valid claim under Corona Rakshak policy will pay 100% of sum insured, irrespective of actual hospital expenses. So, we don't have to bother much about the inclusions and exclusions while buying this policy. But it is important to know inclusions and exclusions of Corona Kavach policy, though they will remain same across all insurers. So let's see one by one. Hospitalization expenses associated with bed charges, nursing charges, blood test, PPE kits, oxygen, ICU, and consultation fees will be covered. Home care expenses will be covered up to 14 days when an insured person takes treatment at home, of course, after doctor's recommendation. Pre and post hospitalization expenses, that is 15 days before hospitalization and until 30 days after discharge, are covered. Ayush treatment, that is Ayurveda, yoga, naturopathy and homeopathy treatments are covered. Ambulance charges are also covered. The policy will also cover any other medical condition triggered due to COVID-19 during the period of hospitalization. In future, whatever vaccination insured person will take related with COVID-19 is excluded from this policy. So to conclude, I will say, as your current health and life insurance will cover any claim related with COVID-19, irrespective of your insurer, and if you have enough sum insured on your existing policy, no need to buy a new COVID health policy. Of course, if you feel the existing sum insured is not sufficient or you don't want to make a COVID-19 claim with your existing policy to avail NCB at the time of renewal, then you must buy COVID health insurance. But do not ever consider it as a substitute for a regular health insurance plan. Considering the need of the hour, if you found this information useful, do like and share this video with all your contacts. And do subscribe to the channel for more such information. Thank you for watching.